Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I don't have ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because ma'am, Malaysia is an Asia country and it's near in the Philippines.
Do you think you can finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay, ma'am. I'm Edna Marie Dagaas, ma'am. I'm 33 years old. I am single and I have two kids. One, two boys, 13 and 17 years old. I work in Chinese restaurant um, November 24 to August 2, ma'am, 2025. And
Okay,
then I have a part-time job now at the Tapsilogan Food Hub, ma'am.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you first before we proceed to your working experience, yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you are single. Do you have any live-in partner or boyfriend?
I don't have, ma'am.
Are you sure you don't have?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when is your birthday?
May 3, 1992.
May 3,
1992.
1992. What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'2" and my weight is 55.
What about your religion?
I am Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I am high school graduate.
You mentioned that, so you are a single mother of two.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother is 58 years old and my mother is housewife.
What about your father?
My father, ma'am, is tricycle driver.
How old is he?
56 years old, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have one sister and one brother.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
I am the second, ma'am.
Okay, so is your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a 2 years contract. You cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family. You cannot handle your job anymore. No such a thing. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, it is included. Like for example, if there is someone or is there any family member in your country that passed away, you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Okay? You are
Yes,
the
ma'am.
one who wanted to come and work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your family at the same time. Yeah? According to your profile and according to you just a while ago, you have a working experience in a Chinese restaurant. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your job there? Are you a waitress, a cashier, or what?
Kitchen helper, ma'am.
Kitchen. Okay. So you worked there for 2 years.
Yes, ma'am.
November 2022 until?
November 2024, ma'am, until August 2, 2025.
Oh, so it's not 2 years. So months only, is it? So you worked there for 8 months.
Ma'am.
After this, you work in Tapsilog Food Hub, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it until recently?
Recent
What month did you started working there?
in Tapsilogan, ma'am.
Yes.
This month only, ma'am.
Oh, this month only. So, September. So, do you know that what are you up to, right? You were working as a domestic helper.
Yes, ma'am.
You were going to clean the entire house. The houses here is no joke. It's quite big. It's like a palace one. Do you think you can endure it?
Yes, ma'am.
Bathrooms inside the house is very like there is 5 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms. Do you think you can handle?
Yes, ma'am.
Being a domestic helper is not that so easy. It is a very tough job. And only those people that are really willing and those who is like very determined to work as a domestic helper can finish their contract. So do you think you can?
Yes, ma'am.
Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Okay? So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare then?
I will I will work and work.
I mean, what type of dish you can cook?
Ma'am, ang Filipino food,
But are you willing to cook some new recipes like other recipes?
yes, ma'am. I will.
Okay, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Um,
Yes or
yes,
no?
not,
It's a yes or no only.
no, ma'am.
Okay, so usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time. Okay? It means you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours. You can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house. And if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure? Later, you will just tell us, Mom, I want to hold my phone for 24 hours. I want to go out on my rest day. No such a thing. Okay? Because in the first place, in our initial interview, we did inform you about all these things. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you disagree, it's fine. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah? How will you gonna fight your homesickness knowing that this is your first time working abroad?
I will I will work work, ma'am.
So you will just focus on your work.
Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, same like what I am saying just a while ago. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want. You can be the boss there. You can you can do whatever you want, but don't bring it here in Malaysia. We need to humble ourselves. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Yeah? Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, okay? I would like to ask you one more time. Are you really willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How many percent?
101%.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay? Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.